Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This video will be answering this question. Given the address 192.168.5.0, right, we have to create subnets. So currently we need to create 4 subnets, and they said allow for 11 more subnets, right? So we are assigning IP addresses. The lowest addresses towards the PCs goes towards the PCs, and the highest addresses goes for the router interfaces. Alright, as you can see, I got a 16 networks. So we got 16 subnets. So we need, how much we need? That's 15. So we just went ahead and did 16, which is the closest number of subnets we could get, and 16 subnets equals 16 hosts. Right, there's a subnet mask at 240.255.255.255.0. That's /28 network. So here I went ahead and got all the networks we needed. So we have network 1, network 2, network 3, network 4. Right, with its usable IPs and broadcast and network ID. So what we're going to do now is start setting up for each client, PC client, to get their IP address. So let's as you can see, I went ahead and typed each one so I'll remember what's going on. So let's begin with PC1. Right, and type in its IP address. Subnet mask will be 240, and its default gateway would be the router, the router's interface on this side. Right, so I already have it typed here. So you go 192.168.5.14. right, and we can go ahead and close, go to the other PC, to 240.192.168.5.14. right, so just copy this, trying to save some time. Right, you can paste that in there, 192. Right, this will be 3, 240. Right, and let's go ahead to the other network. Right, this will be 17, same 240. Now this is a different subnet now, so the router has a different IP address. So we type in that, 30, close, next PC. Let's get in 18, 240 again. Now this tends to become a bit monotonous. I obviously will fast forward the video a bit to allow us to get where we need to go a little bit faster. So yes, it is a bit monotonous, but this is what we have to do at this point in time. So what I wasn't doing is just verifying that the IP address is there. So as you can see, it is. Right, now we are on to our last subnet of the last group of client machines on the last subnet that we need. Right, so 49 here. This one 62. Gateway 62 and 62. Right. '51. 62. Right, and on to our last machine now. Finally, we have 50 here. Right, now that we have entered all our clan machine's IP address, now it's time for the most important part, which is configuring our router. Right, and what we are going to do is add each of our IP addresses to each interface. So currently we have 4 interfaces available here. So let's get down to configuring that, and then we'll connect all our network devices together, our network devices and our clan machines. Okay, so let's now configure our router. So you're going to click on it, and the first thing that I would like to do is pull in some fast Ethernet ports. Currently there are these 2 that cannot work in our case, so let's slide in these 2 ports. Right, let's click put back on our router and close. Right, so we are aiming to set our interfaces from 0/0, 1/0, 6/0 and 7/0. Right, so let's go back into our router, go CLI, press enter, I'm gonna hit enable, conf T, and first interface we're going to set up /0. Press enter. I'm going to give it our IP address 192.168.5.14. Subnet mask 240. Hit no shutdown on our interface, and then we can hit exit. Then we go into the other interface one time. It should be 1/0. Same procedure, IP address 192.168.5.30. No shutdown. Alright, this was 6/0 IP 192.168.5. Let's just slide this over here. .46. And last but not least, /0. .192 or 168.5.62. right? And now we copy our configuration. Right, and we can close this, and now we can start connecting all our devices together. So you're going to use the copper straight through cable and connect. So you're going to start from interface user 0 to our switch and continue. Next interface now. I want to believe there's a faster way of doing this. I'm not sure. Alright, last interface now. Right. Okay, we could hit fast forward here just to get everything connected one time, and now we need to run some tests. So let's click our first PC here, go into command, and first thing first, let's see if we can reach our gateway, this subnets or this network's gateway, if a D0 network. Right, so let's ping our router. Let's see. Right, you can see we are successful in pinging our router. And let's ping another PC within this network. 192.168.5.2. Right, we have a successful ping. Now, real test now is trying to ping a device over another network. Right, so but let's first ping another gateway on network. Let's ping network 16 gateway. Right, so let's go ping 192.168.5.30. Right, successful ping. And let's now ping client machine on this network. 192.168.5.19. Right, there you can see successful. Let's do one more ping. 192.168.5.34. That's on our 32 network. Right, and there you can see another successful ping has been established or done. Right, and that brings us to the end of this video. I hope it was informative, and that's it. Laters.